Hello guys, I'm gonna be doing the fan in my back screen porch. Now you could see that this represents the light, so that turns the light on or off. And this represents the fan, so like this is what you need to pull to turn the fan speeding on or off, or on different levels. I just think that's so interesting that they put a light on that one and a fan on the other. Now I'm gonna turn it on medium. Now it's on medium. I could feel a tiny bit of air. Now I turned it to slow. And having the fan on slowly, at least on this fan, is like not having the fan on at all, because I could not really feel anything. So I would rather have the fans going on fast if I want the fan on. Because if the fan's on slow, it's all it really does is uses up energy. And this is a very modern looking light. Just the fan in general is very modern looking. It looks nice. And now I'm gonna turn the fan off. And the brand of this fan is named Hunter. It's a Hunter brand. I hope you enjoy this video and this fan.